Hey everybody, so you're driving real slow speeds and you hear like a gunk, gunk, gunk when you're on bumps. It could be sways and stuff, but this time it's a strut. The way you're gonna be able to test it is bouncing down. You're gonna need like 2 people to get the weight, and if you hear like a on this side and then do that side and it doesn't, or both, struts are gone. You can watch it, see it rolling, and the car will be like this. So we're gonna place that today. 2007 14 Silverado Avalanche Suburban Tahoe. Come check out the clip.